Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro gni gilong ki khubor bam tagasngi. Balai mo ki jaka puli hajla meghalaya kamdan jingshangan shu. Ka jingdon kti ban sho yo assistant professor jongkatnat Hindi hanehu kawan ra ka jingya pher jingmon. Uni unong hikai bekerteng u Alok Singh ula ujore ke ejahar persha ya u president ka nehusu Sandi Sotun bat sangut ki wei pat halor ka jingkeno baki sho ya u hapok office tray kam ha ka janmit arp south rek u yayong. Na kabenta kane ka sarkar jalak la shim ya ka sinjam ka bating ban pinbiang ya ka jing pahara ka bapa ka hapo ka jaka puli jung ka North Eastern Hill University nehu hadin ka jing sha thombor we unong hikai yathu uba prestun tensong menteri katanat kampo yeng ka jila ubade usimbut menteri rangba ka jila. Uba prestun tensong ha ka sing tho ding ula kular shek nong tho khubor baka an kan shim yala ka jong kalinti persha itu ki badan ti ban sho ya u assistant professor jong katanat Hindi hanihu. Ka sarkar klade batha ya u superintendent of police SP bat kinong pentre ya ka an bagin penti kana ya ka jingshangan ba ka jingyada bat baka campus baro ka we jong kanehu kanong ka bishangan ula ong. Uba prestun ula ong balai on yathu ya ki aka ba ka sarkar kale habala dep an aibiang ya ki bor pahara. Kumta omdan kam ban batai benya ya ka namar kade ka kamram jong ka sarkar ban penti kana ya ka jingshangan jong baro laki de ki samla puli la kade ki nong hikai ne de manu manuru. Sngobha wat don ya kanu ka jing shep ting na ba yamenta na ka sarkar kla de pen klan ye ki bor pahara ban ngin penti kana ba baro ki nong ki bashangan ki to ki basa ne ki balit shapalau.
Do you think, sir?
Sorry?
There's a sense of insecurity amongst the professor.
Let the law
afterward?
take its own course. The law will take its own course. Okay? And then I've already instructed the SP and then the law enforcers to make sure that the security and safety of the whole campus of NEHU is fully secured.
What sort of security additional police?
Why should I tell you? I've told you that we have already provided enough security, so I don't think I need to detail you what, how many or why and when and where. I think that is the duty of the government, how to make sure that the safety, security of all, be it students and be it the faculties and everybody, are safe.
What would you like to tell the professors, sir, because they are really insecure?
No, I've told you already, I think through you only, my request is to all the concerned in the campus of NEHU that don't worry and don't have any kind of tension, because now from the government we have already strengthened the security and we'll make sure that everybody are safe staying or who is going to the NEHU campus.
But sir, CRPF, because recently
please don't ask me further about that. As I said to you, it is the prerogative depending upon the situation. I think the law enforcer or the police department is on the job to make sure that the safety of people over there is fully secured. We had a meeting with the BSF authority and with all the concerned agencies, be it state and central government agencies. We are in the same page and we are in the same line. We'll make sure that the international boundary be fully secure to meet all these challenges in case if any kind of infiltration takes place or in whatever manner. But we are already in touch and we are fully in operation as far as the international border is concerned.
But we have seen
It's been taken care of, and not only that, we have already working together very closely with the village authority, be it the village authority, be it the VTP, and including BSF personnel, police personnel and other central agencies, whatever possible way, and we'll make sure that the infiltration does not take place. And you have seen it in newspaper time and again. I think quite a number of infiltrators has been stopped or has been ultimately booked into bars and put into bars where ultimately the Foreigners Act is in place.
So what will be your
I think what we have to do is, in fact, why ultimately the police was also taken a very swift action accordingly to this, because we are really concerned, because this statement made by that boy is purely anti-national. It will affect not only for Meghalaya, it will affect for the whole country, and not only it will encourage, especially it will encourage these illegal activities, which will ultimately create a lot of security threat to the citizens of the state as well as to the citizens of India as a whole. Therefore, we have noted down very, very seriously on this issue, and that's why swift action has been taken. And my request to all the citizens of the state and also the citizens of the nation as a whole, let us stand united, and we will not allow such anti-national activities to happen again throughout the country. This incident happened maybe a few hours back. Let me tell you one thing. The moment we came to know all these issues, that every citizen of the country who are working, serving here in the state of Meghalaya, be it a local or be it a non-local, my humble request to all of them: please don't misread or don't mislead people around, because we are dedicated. We are here to make sure that every single person, be it in or be it outsiders in the state of Meghalaya, will make sure that they are fully secure. That's why whether you want CRPF, you want BSF, you want paramilitary, whatever, leave it to the wisdom of the government. As I said to you, the police department is fully on the job and will make sure that this incident should not again happen in the future.